Deep beneath the ocean's surface, where light never reaches, the abyss transforms from a peaceful sanctuary into a brutal, high-pressure, mechanical torture chamber for any human creation. At these extreme depths, the crushing weight of the water is enough to turn a modern battle tank into a useless scrap of metal in just a moment. With a pressure of 1,000 atmospheres bearing down, every square inch of material must fight an invisible war against the relentless, crushing force of the deep. To survive here, we build immortal cages. These superstructures are the only things standing between human life and the terrifying, cold anger of the ancient sea gods. How do we engineer materials that do not buckle? How do we forge steel that refuses to break under the weight of an entire mountain of salt water? The answer lies in the heart of the fire. To conquer the abyss, we must first master the extreme chemistry of the most advanced alloys ever created. Welcome to the Hellforge. This is where ordinary iron is transformed into something much stronger, capable of withstanding the most corrosive environments on our planet's crust. This is the birth of high-performance alloy steel. It is not just metal, it is a precisely calculated mixture of elements forged in the heat of 1,000 suns. By infusing iron with chromium and nickel, scientists create a molecular shield. These atoms interlock to eliminate every microscopic weak point within the metal's internal crystalline structure. Engineers work in extreme heat to ensure that these mechanical monsters are prepared to carry the weight of our modern civilization on their cold, hardened shoulders. This process creates a material that is virtually immune to the relentless gnawing of sea salt and the acidic bite of the deep ocean's chemical composition. The result is a new generation of steel that is as immortal as human engineering can possibly make it, ready for the ultimate test in the abyss. The sheer volume of material required is staggering. One single section of an undersea tunnel weighs as much as an entire fleet of fully loaded Airbus airplanes. But weight is not the only enemy. Salt water is a silent killer, seeking to eat away at the metal every second, looking for any tiny structural flaw. To survive for centuries, the steel must reach a level of purity that is absolute. Even the smallest impurity could lead to a catastrophic structural failure underwater. With a tensile strength of 2,000 megapascals, this steel is 10 times stronger than what we use to build skyscrapers on the
Check the pressure on the cutter head, it's spiking.
Every
Adjusting the
millimeter
thrust
is
now,
scanned
we're
and
stabilizing.
tested.
Good, keep
In
the alignment
deep
steady.
Ocean, there is no room for error. The pressure will find the weakness and destroy it without mercy. These numbers represent more than just physics. They are the guarantee of safety for
Lower
the
it
thousands
slowly,
of
watch
people
the
who will
alignment.
travel through these metal veins daily.
Hold it right there.
How do you join
All right,
1,000-ton
firing the wrench
blocks
now.
of steel in an environment that would crush a human's lungs? The answer is the high-tech art of underwater laser welding. This is precision stitching on a massive scale. The laser must maintain a perfect temperature, even while surrounded by the freezing, high-pressure currents of the deep. By creating a temporary dry envelope, the laser ensures the weld doesn't become brittle. This tiny bubble of air is the key to structural integrity. Automated robots perform this task with micrometer accuracy. They work tirelessly in the dark, where no human diver could ever hope to survive for long. A single mistake, a stray air bubble, or a slight drop in temperature could lead to a crack that would eventually collapse the entire multi-billion-dollar structure. The finished weld is a work of art, a seamless bond that is often stronger than the surrounding metal itself, designed to hold back the ocean. This is the thin line between engineering excellence and total disaster. It is a technological triumph that allows us to build the impossible in the dark. Piece by piece, these steel skeletons are assembled, forming the foundation of a new world that exists entirely beneath the waves of the great oceans. Moving beyond individual structures, we look at the giants of the deep, transcontinental tunnels. These are the veins of the world, carved through ancient seabed rock. Equipped with diamond-hard teeth, these massive machines grind through the earth, fighting against the immense geological pressures and the weight of the water above. Each segment of the tunnel is a masterpiece of reinforced concrete and supersteel, designed to be perfectly watertight and structurally sound for over a century. Under the guidance of advanced artificial intelligence, These segments are aligned with millimeter precision, ensuring a perfect seal against the crushing power of
Look
the
at the
sea.
conductivity
When
here.
finished, these tunnels represent more than just engineering.
Yes, the Dirac
They are a
point is
testament to the
exactly
human
where we
will
predicted.
to overcome every obstacle nature places in our path.